Good day guys, I'm Borja from BS IT 2103, and for today's video we're going to do the packet tracer in chapter 4, investigating the TCP or IP and OSI models in action. Objectives. Part 1. Examine HTTP web traffic display elements of the TCP or IP protocol suite. The background, the TCP or IP protocol suite, and the relationship to the OSI model. Associated with the specific layer of the TCP or IP and OSI model, packet tracer simulation modes enables you to view of the layer and the associated PDU. The following steps lead to the user through the process of requesting a web page from a web server by using the web browser application available on a client PC. Even though much of the information displayed will be discussed in more detail later, this is an opportunity to explore the functionality of packet tracer and be able to visualize the encapsulation process. Part 1. Examine HTTP web traffic. In Part 1 of this activity, you will use packet tracer or PT simulation mode to generate web traffic and examine HTTP. Step 1. Switch from real-time to simulation mode. In lower right corner of the packet tracer interface are tabs to toggle between real-time and simulation mode. PT always starts in real-time mode, in which network protocols operate with realistic timings. However, a powerful feature of tracer allows you to stop time by switching to simulation mode. In simulation mode, packets are displayed as animated envelopes. Time is event-driven and user can through working events. We will click the simulation mode icon to switch from real-time mode to simulation mode. Select HTTP from event list filters. HTTP may already be the only visible event. Click Edit Filters to display the available visible events. Toggle the Show All or None checkbox and notice how the checkboxes switch from unchecked to checked, checked to unchecked depending on the time context. Click the Show All or None checkbox until all boxes are cleared, and then select HTTP. Click anywhere outside of the Edit Filters box to hide it. The visible events should now display HTTP. We'll come to simulation mode. We have an option here, even the visitors visible events, show all or none, and show all here. We can edit the filters. We can see here show all. We check so we'll select HTTP. We have HTTP here, so we're going to step 2, generate web HTTP traffic. Currently, the simulation panel is empty. There are 6 columns listed across the top of the event list within the simulation panel. As traffic is generated and step through event appear in the list, the info column is used to inspect the contents of a particular event. So here in letter A, we click web client in the far left pane. Click the desktop tab and click the web browser icon to open it. In the URL field, enter www.osi.local and click go. Because time in simulation mode is event-driven, you must use the capture or forward button to display network events. Letter D, click capture or forward 4 times. There should be 4 events in the event list. Look at the web client web browser page. Did anything change? We have to do this. We can see the event list here. We're going to click web client, desktop, and web browser. www.si.local and click go. Then we are going to click the capture or forward here. We have successfully know the web server. You have successfully accessed the home page for web server. Explore the contents of the HTTP packets. Here in letter A, we are going to click the first colored square box under the event list info column.